2017, a breakthrough year in CAR T cells, 2 products approved by the FDA. Novartis has Kymriah approved in pediatric ALL, and Kite has Yescarta approved in adult non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. And what's interesting is in lymphoma, obviously, we're probably going to see rapid approval of at least another drug, which is Novartis' product based on the JULIET trial, and most of us are expecting that early next year. And then based on the Juno data that's going to be presented in the TRANSCEND study, we expect that they may also get approval sometime next year. And so it's very possible that this time next year we'll actually have 3 drugs approved in non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. And so the question is going to be, when I'm the treating physician and the patient with lymphoma is in front of me, which one do I get to choose for that patient? And so there may be 2 things. Number one, the insurance company may decide, we have a better contract with one of the companies and that's what you're going to give your patient. But if they really give me a free choice to decide, then I have to look at the data and try and balance efficacy and safety. And if you look at the data so far that we have for both the Kite studies and the Novartis trials, again, you cannot compare these studies side by side because obviously they weren't done as randomized trials. But if at least we want to try and get a feel for how they compare to each other, they look kind of similar. There are obviously differences, and we know there are differences in the vector, with the 4-1BB being used in the Novartis vector and CD28 being used in the Kite vector. And so there are going to be some differences in how these cells behave. But globally, I would say that the overall response rates look similar and the safety signal looks relatively the same, maybe with some nuances.